Greeting from Spoken English Masterclass YouTube channel. Once again, I congratulate you that you have completed your Spoken English practice number 32, from Spoken English practice number 1 till Spoken English practice number 32. If you are new on this channel and you're watching first time this video, please watch all videos from Spoken English practice number 1, because that is a basic step, basic conversation. Then step number, practice number 2, practice number 3. So this is like step 1 2 3 4 5 till 32. And today we are going to do Spoken English practice number 33, and the topic for that is meeting people. Very important topic, meeting people. And if you are new on this channel, you don't know the methodology how we are practicing. Very simple. I'm going to ask question from you and you will be giving the answers. And if you are a beginner in spoken English, then you will try to give the answers in minimum 1 or 2 lines. And if you are like every speaker, then try to give answers in 3 4 5 6 7 8 lines. So it will be very good for you. Now I am going to ask question and you will give the answer. First listen this. What will be the benefit of this listening? Number 1, you will improve your listening. Number 2, your vocabulary will be improving, because if you are listening me and you don't understand some word, just go and check the meaning of that word. And number 3, you will be giving the answers and you will be improving your speaking abilities, your confidence level. So now I am going to ask the question, and question number 1 is that do you enjoy meeting new people? Question number 2, what are some good things to ask someone you just met? 3, what are some things you should not ask people you just met? Question number 4, is it okay to ask a person age in your country? 6, do you feel nervous when you are introduced to someone new? Question number 6, about how many new people do you meet in a week? Where are some good places to meet people? How important are first impression to others? You listen, this is very famous quotation that first impression is the last impression. There is no second chance. First impression is the last impression. There is no second chance. So always make your impression very impressive wherever you are going, either school, college, university, meeting some new people, going for the job interview. So therefore you should be always very highly professional person in your life and behave like a very highly professional people. So this will impact very good in your life, and people will also give you more respect, will give you more regard because of your highly professionalism. Okay, so I asked, how important are first impression to you? What kind of people do you like to meet? Who was the last new person you met? What is the favorite topic for a friend in your country? What kind of people do you like to meet? What is one thing that many people don't know about you? Actually, I am asking this basic question from you, so you will be understanding easily, and this is our daily life practice. It does not mean that you will be giving very difficult answer. Try to understand that this is our basic day-to-day life conversation. So we want to improve our day-to-day life conversation. So with the passage of time, with the help of listening these videos and giving answer, you will be improving your confidence level, your speaking abilities. So therefore this is very important. Please watch this video, listen this video 2-3 times and do practice. The very good thing is that you can listen questions, do brainstorming and give the answer. So it will be a very good practice. If you have a very good command on grammar, very good command on tenses, and a very good command on your vocabulary, like you have a very good vocabulary. I know a lot of people, they have all these abilities, but even then they are unable to speak because of hesitation, because of they are confused, because they never spoke in front of other people, although they have very good command on these things which I told you. So therefore I'm encouraging you, please listen this question and try to give the answer. So once you will be giving answers, then you will start to speak with other people. So with the passage of time, you will be improving very fastly. So I congratulate you that you have completed your spoken English practice number 33, and in practice number 34 we will discuss some new things. So till then, goodbye.